Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now today, guys, I have my Earfleek for the month of December, and I already went ahead and opened it and looked inside, so I'm going to show you guys what I got.
But before I show you what I got, I wanted to show you this cute little video that I shot of my cat playing with these helium balloons. It was my daughter's birthday and she left these over at my house and the cat found it, and I thought I would just show you my cat playing with the helium balloons. This is my little mini kitty. That's what I call her because she's so tiny, but she's very fierce, as you can see. Okay, well, I thought I would just share that with you because she's just my heart and I love her so much. Okay, back to the video.
Now, Earfleek is a monthly earring subscription service. It's $3.49 and that includes shipping, and you get a pair of earrings sent to your house every month. And I will leave all the information in the description box down below if you're interested in it. This is so cheap and I really enjoy getting a new pair of costume earrings every month. Now on their website they have a game and you can heart earrings that you like and thumbs down ones you don't like. And I remember hearting these. I thought these were going to be really cute, especially I can picture these little white daisy earrings in the springtime with like a dress. So that's how I picture wearing these, but these are really cute earrings. But yeah, like I said, I will leave the link down below. If you use my link, I think if you try it for the first time, it's only $1.75. Okay, I hope you guys have a lovely day and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yay!